Hello children, welcome to e-learning resource. Hope you all are learning well and doing well. Do you love social studies? Okay, today we can discuss the third lesson about the movements of the earth. In this lesson, you are going to learn about rotation, day and night, revolution and seasons. You already learned about what is rotation and revolution when you were in third standard, but here you can learn the detailed description about it. How are days and nights caused? What is a leap year, etc. So, let us start our third lesson, movements of the earth. Open the textbook and take page number 175. Have you ever thought why we have day and night or summer and winter? These are changes brought about by the movements of the earth. The earth has two types of movements, rotation and revolution. First, we can study about rotation. The earth spins like a top on its own axis. It spins from west to east. The spinning of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. This time period is called a day. Next, day and night. Day and night are the effect of the rotation of the earth. As the earth is round, the half facing the sun receives sunlight and has day. The opposite half of the earth does not receive sunlight at that time and has night. But as the earth rotates, the areas having day move away from the sun. Then it becomes dark there. The areas which had night faces the sun and has day. As the earth rotates from west to east, the sun appears to be rising in the east and setting in the west. Actually, the sun does not move. Next, we can learn about revolution. As the earth rotates on its own axis, it also moves round the sun along a fixed path. This fixed path of the earth round the sun is called orbit. It is oval in shape. The movement of the earth round the sun along its orbit is called revolution. The earth takes 365 1 by 4 days to complete one revolution. This period of time is called a solar year or a year. For our convenience, we remove the 1 by 4 of the day, means 6 hours, from 3 years and added it all up with the fourth year, making it a leap year. A leap year has 366 days. February has 29 days in a leap year. Listen once again, leap year. For our convenience, we remove the 1 by 4 of the day. Means there are 24 hours in a day. In that 24 hours, 1 by 4 of the day means 6 hours. From 3 years and added it all up with the fourth year, making it a leap year. By adding all the 6 hours, we got 1 day. we add that day in a leap year. A leap year has 366 days. February has 29 days in a leap year. Children, let us watch something about these movements.
Like other planets of the solar system, the Earth moves in two different ways. One is called rotation, and the other is called revolution. Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its own axis. Rotate means to turn, so the Earth turns around a slightly inclined imaginary line that joins the two poles called the axis. Do you know how long it takes to make a complete turn? It takes 24 hours to make one rotation. Think about it for a second. One day and night together, lasts 24 hours too. So the movement of rotation causes day and night. Interesting, right? Now let's see the movement of revolution. As you can see in the pictures, the Earth goes around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. That might sound a little strange, but if you look, you'll see it's simply the journey that the Earth makes around the Sun. Do you know how long it takes the Earth to make a complete revolution around the Sun? Well, it takes 365 days, exactly 1 year. This revolution movement is what makes the spring with its colourful flowers, the hot summer full of fun, the autumn when leaves fall from the trees to the ground, and the cold and frosty winter. So let's remember the two kinds of movement that the Earth makes. There is rotation, which is the Earth turning around itself, causing day and night, which lasts exactly 24 hours, the same as a whole day. And there is revolution, which is the Earth travelling around the Sun, which takes 365 days and causes the seasons. So now you know the movements of the Earth. Goodbye, everyone.
Okay, children, I hope you all enjoy and understand the class. About the seasons, we can study next class. So, let us conclude today's class and we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.